Hi there, welcome to my channel Wisely Stream and Tech. Today here in this video I will be showing you guys how to play, open or install any Android application on your Windows, and that is absolutely free. You need to open Android Emulator to install any of your favorite Android application on your Windows. I have already made a video for top 5 best Android emulators for PC 2020. And I received a lot of emails from people that they are running low specs PC and they are not able to play any Android applications. Some of the people who are running on low specs PC are not able to install or play any Android application. So in this video I will show you how to play any Android application on your low specs PC. So that is very simple. You need to install one Android emulator, that is KO Player Android Emulator, and that is absolutely free. And this is really light Android emulator. I have already made a video for you guys and I have shown 5 best Android emulators, and I have also shown you the review and demonstration for KO Player. And this is really light Android emulator. So you need to go to this link. I will provide this link in the top pinned comment section of this video. So we are going to download and install this KO Player. So this is the main interface for this website, KO Player for Windows. This is a really powerful Android emulator that is easy to configure. You can play your favorite Android application or game with this powerful KO Player. And this is really light Android emulator. So here we can see we have the latest version of KO Player, that is version 1.4.1056. So you need to click on this blue button icon. So you have to click on download. Then you need to download on your system.
After downloading, now I am going to install this KO Player. I am going to the directory folder where I have downloaded this KO Player emulator. So here you need to right click on that and click run as administrator. Then you have to select the language. I am just going to select English language. Then you need to click on OK. Then you have to accept the license agreement. Click on next. Then you have to select the destination folder where you want to install this KO Player. So right now I'm just okay with the installation folder. Then you have to click on next. Then this KO Player will start installing on your Windows. So you have to wait for that. So now this Android emulator has been installed. I'm just clicking on this finish icon and it will then launch on my system. So this is the welcome screen for this KO Player, and this is the startup screen. So here we will see step 1, step 2 and step 3. Right now we are on step 2, and here we have speed mode and compatible mode. Then after you need to click on continue to start. Then it will start loading for the very first time. It will set up everything on your system, so you have to be patient, wait for that. So now this KO Player is starting, so you have to wait for a few seconds. So this is the welcome screen for KO Player. Welcome to KO Player. You have to click on next. This is the beginner's guide. So if you are not well aware for using KO Player and you want to play Android games, so this guide will be really helpful for you. Then you have to click on next and then click on next, 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 next. Got it? So now here we need to log in with your email account. So now I'm going to log in. I have already created my account, so I'm just going to log in it. If you don't have a Gmail account, you need to register first, then you have to log in. So right now I'm just going to log in it. So I already have an account, so I'm just clicking on existing. So guys, here you can see now I am logged in with my Gmail account on this Play Store. So I can access all of my favorite Android application, Android games with this Play Store inside this KO Player Android emulator. So in this way you will be able to access all of your favorite Android applications or games on your Android emulator on your Windows. So this was one step to access all of your favorite Android applications. And if you want to access related to streaming movies, TV shows, live TV channels, then I have another source to get all of your favorite Android applications absolutely free. So first of all, you need to go to your browser. Then here you need to find file linked. type here file linked, and you will find the link that is at the top, filelink.com. File link, the number 1 bulk downloader tool for all of your Fire TV and a lot of other stuff. So you need to go to this link, filelink.com. So now we are going to download and install this FileLink store on our KO Player Android emulator to access some of additional Android applications which are not available on a Play Store. So you need to click on this download FileLink. So now as you can see, this FileLink store is started downloading on my this Android KO Player emulator. So now this FileLink store has been downloaded on my this KO Player Android emulator. I'm going to install that. Clicking on next. Now I am installing this FileLink store on my KO Player Android emulator. Then you need to click on open. So now here you can see FileLink has been installed. It is showing me the pop-up on the bottom corner, preparing applications. So this is the main interface for this FileLink store, and this is the logo for FileLink store. So I'm going to enter to Stream and Techno FileLink store to show you that how we can access all of your favorite premium ad-free application for streaming movies, TV shows and live TV applications which are not available on a Play Store because these are third-party applications. The code to enter the Stream and Techno FileLink store is 51829986. Then you have to click on continue. Then getting a few things ready, you need to wait for that. So this is the Stream and Techno FileLink store. Welcome to Stream and Techno. You have to click on this dismiss. Again the pop-up window will appear. So again you have to click on dismiss. So this is the Stream and Techno FileLink store, and I tell you guys, this is really a wonderful FileLink store to access all of your favorite premium and ad-free applications absolutely free. These applications are third-party application. Here you can see, here we have special deals. 4K Amazon Fire Stick, highly recommend. iPad Spot Bluetooth mini wireless keyboard. These are some of the special deals. And here this is really useful section for streaming movies and TV shows. Here you can access all of your favorite streaming movies and TV shows applications. If you want to enjoy your favorite live TV shows, movies, then this is really best to access all of your third-party applications. All of these applications are absolutely free. For the demonstration, let me show you how to download and install. For example, if you are interested to download and install any application, let me show you the demonstration how to download and install. This is BTV version 2.4.5. that's ad-free application, and if you want to download and install, you have to click on this download icon. Then you will see this bar will start moving from left to right, this blue bar. You need to wait till this bar completed, because right now it is downloading this application on this particular FileLink store. So here now you can see this download icon has been changed into play button icon. So you need to click on that. Click on next. Then you have option for installation of this BTV application on this particular FileLink store. You need to click on install. Then you have to click on allow, because it is asking us the source, installation source. You need to click on allow. Then you need to click on done. So in this way you can also get third-party application for streaming movies, TV shows, live TV and a lot of other stuff. Those are absolutely free on this FileLink store. And in my coming videos I will show you bundle of working FileLink stores. Those are updated and absolutely free, providing all of your favorite streaming movies and live TV applications. So stay tuned with my videos. Let me show you how this BTV application has been installed. I'm just closing this FileLink. So now I'm going to the menu of my KO Player Android emulator. So here now you can see this application has been downloaded and installed from this FileLink store. So this was all about my video. In this way you will be able to access all of your favorite Android application on your Windows by using Play Store, or you can access all of the third-party application by using this FileLink store. So I hope this video will be really helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or any confusions, you may leave your comments below, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos related to stream and tech. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.